Hey everyone, it's Lily Singh here. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to many hearts: how to maintain a long-distance relationship. Let's be real, being apart from your boo can be tough, but it doesn't have to turn into a rom-com gone wrong. Let's talk about what to discuss and what to avoid to keep that connection strong. And don't forget to subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more tips and tricks. All right, first up, let's talk about those everyday moments. Did something hilarious happen at work? Did you finally conquer that recipe you've been trying to perfect? Share it. It's like sending them a virtual postcard of your life. Keeping each other in the loop, even about the small stuff, helps you stay connected. Trust me, a quick "you won't believe what my coworker did today" can go a long way. It keeps the conversation flowing and helps you bond over the everyday craziness of life. Okay, let's talk about the future. One of the best things about being in a relationship is having someone to dream with, right? Talk about your next visit. Plan out every detail, from the restaurants you'll try to the sights you'll see. It'll give you both something concrete to look forward to and make the distance feel a little less daunting. Talk about your long-term goals, your aspirations, your wildest dreams. All right, listen up. You've got to keep things interesting. Remember how you used to bond over shared interests, read the same book and have your own little book club discussion, watch a movie or a TV show simultaneously and text each other your reactions in real time. The key is to find activities you both enjoy and make an effort to do them together, even if it's virtually. Chapter 4. Remember that time? The power of memories. Sometimes when you're feeling the distance, it helps to take a trip down memory lane. Share those memories, talk about the good times, the funny moments, the inside jokes that only the two of you understand. It's like reliving those experiences all over again, and it's a powerful way to feel connected, even when you're miles apart. Chapter 5. Level up together. Personal growth. Being in a relationship doesn't mean you stop growing as individuals, right? In fact, it should empower you to become the best versions of yourselves. Talk about your goals, your aspirations, the things you're passionate about. Share your wins, your challenges, your fears. Be each other's cheerleaders. It's about creating a space where you can be vulnerable and grow together, even when you're apart. Chapter 6. Lolling across the miles, inside jokes and playfulness. Relationships are more fun when you can laugh together, right? So don't let the distance steal your sense of humor. Send each other funny memes, share ridiculous stories, or just randomly text each other your favorite emoji. Remember, laughter is the best medicine. It can lighten the mood and remind you of the joy you bring to each other's lives. Chapter 7. Virtual hugs and kisses, affectionate messages. A simple "I miss you," "I'm thinking of you," or "I love you" can go a long way. Send each other good morning and good night texts. Leave cute voice messages. Surprise each other with thoughtful gifts or handwritten letters. Words have power. So use them to express your love, your appreciation, and your commitment to each other. Okay, let's take it a step further. It's not just about talking about your day, it's about having meaningful conversations that deepen your connection. Ask each other thought-provoking questions, the kind that make you think, reflect, and feel closer than ever. These are the conversations that strengthen your bond and help you understand each other on a deeper level. So, make time for those deep talks, those heart-to-heart conversations that remind you why you're in this together. All right, let's talk about the bigger picture. One of the most important things in a long-distance relationship is having shared goals. Having shared goals gives you a sense of purpose, a sense of direction, and a reminder that you're in this together. So talk about your dreams, your ambitions, and your plans for the future. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about sharing your world with each other. Just because you're not physically together doesn't mean you can't experience each other's lives. Talk about your city, your favorite local spots, the things that make your hometown unique. Send each other pictures, videos, or even postcards. Share those experiences with each other. It'll make you feel more connected and make the distance feel a little less significant. And there you have it. Remember, maintaining a long-distance relationship takes effort, but with thoughtful communication, you can keep your connection strong. It's about making time for each other, even when you're miles apart. Don't be afraid to get creative, to try new things, and to find ways to make the distance work for you. Remember, love knows no bounds, so go out there, nurture your relationship, and prove that distance can't dim the spark of true love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, stay connected and stay positive.